Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. So, whose hole is this? This is a blue-bearded bee-eater. And this one was feeding chicks at a nest at Kaeng Krachan National Park. I always seem to be here. Watch carefully here, and you can see the exchange of food. And then he's off again. Anyway, back to the bird in hand. The blue-bearded bee-eater. A very shy and secretive bird. So to see this one at the nest was truly a blessing. The blue-bearded bee-eater is a resident breeding bird here. And as you can see, like other bee-eaters, they like to build their nests in the side of a bank. Due to the camouflage coloration of this bird and its shyness, it really is a good idea to learn the sound of this one. So, learn the sound, find the bird. Now I am very aware that photographing birds at the nest is not always really ethical, but in this case we were quite a distance away and using pop-up hides so not to disturb the birds. If you'd like to see the type of hides that we use for this photography, check out the link below. They really are a fantastic product. Anyway, that's enough of me for now, so I'll let you just sit back and admire this wonderful bird. So that's it for another little video, this one on the blue-bearded bee-eater. I hope you liked and enjoyed. If you do, as usual, please guys don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. We're nearly at 150 subscribers now. And pushing for 200 soon, hopefully. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.